Hey kids, are you ready to draw the most fun and magical alphabet in the whole world? So grab your crayons, markers, or pencils. Are you excited? Let's go! Letter R. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for car.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
D is for dog.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
E is for elephant.
Sing with me. A, B, C,
F is for fish. G is for gorilla. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for mango. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for panda. Q is for Quen. R is for rabbit. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray. Y is for yeet. Z is for zebra.